Good evening, everybody. My name is Zachary Heinel, and here I am with Back to Basics of Information Security, and we're going to talk about one of the building blocks of security at an organization, and that is configuration management. Now, what is configuration management? Configuration management is just as it sounds. It's the baseline configurations of all your systems and assets in a standardized method to be as secure and functional as possible for the business. Now, there are three important benefits that we get from configuration management. The first one being consistency. So when you're able to deploy your assets in a consistent manner that are the same every single time you deploy a new asset, you get consistency in that configuration. You avoid unforeseen outages and you get a more reliable experience for your customers, for your end users, for your employees when they go to either spin up a new system, when they're logging into a PC, a new server, or whatever have you. Configuration management keeps it consistent and secure. And the second thing that configuration management does for us is vulnerability exposure. When you're able to configure your endpoints, your systems and assets in a baseline secure manner that's consistent every single time, you generally keep track of what's on those systems, how they're configured, which for vulnerability management is very important to know what's on your system and how you're exposed to different things. That way, when a new attack comes out, you're able to then go to your configuration management, adjust it, and voila, your new systems are then automatically secure. And then finally, configuration management helps us adhere to compliance regulations. So when you talk about HIPAA or PCI or Sarbanes-Oxley, you have different compliance standards that you have to apply to your systems. Otherwise, you endanger and risk your business being out of compliance with those standards. Configuration management helps keep that baseline secure and in compliance with those regulations in a less administrative heavy manner for your IT team. So if you don't have configuration management at your business currently, you're missing out on those streamlined capabilities of efficiency, of increasing your resilience and increasing your security, and also reducing your risk. If you have any questions on configuration management or any other base tenets of information security, I'd love to talk to you. Reach out, leave a comment, or reach out at doradodefense.com, and I will get back to you very soon. If you have any suggestions for videos, drop a comment as well. Have a great day and stay safe.